Hey, what's up YouTube? Hey, I just installed four LED strip lights. They're 44 inches long each into my garage. It's an old garage. I wanted to show you how I did it just in case it could help somebody else out. And then I'll leave a link down below to Amazon, what I bought. And if it's something you're interested, you can go right to it and get it. All right, so here's what we got. 22 watt bulbs. You can put 7 together. Just daisy chain them together. There's a number. But inside the box, what we have is we got these. They're just flat tubes, and I'll show you on the ceiling what they look like. And, well, they're flat on one side. The tubes are kind of, I don't know what you call them, I guess they're circle. And then you can daisy chain them together. So you got just a male plug on each end. And what it does, you can end to end them together, or these are extra parts here from the ones I didn't use, or you can push them right together and butt them into each other solid if you don't want a cord and you just want like a one longer tube. And of course they come with screws and clips. Let me show you what I got here in this box. All right, so I took one of the packs out. You get one of these packs for each tube. And so you got if you got concrete or drywall, you got the screw anchor for that. You can drill. I just use the clips because I mounted in wood. So you can see these clips here. You just put the screw through there, and of course the tabs will hang down. So you can snap your light right up into it. The only thing that was strange, they gave me 2 screws in each pack, but 3 clips. So I used all 3 clips. I don't want it falling on my car. So I had some extra screws. I just dug them out and used those. So I'll show you what we got up with them mounted, what they look like. All right, so this old garage, see what I got? I had a light, just one light for the whole garage. And it was LED, it didn't light up much. But you can see the plug that I got. I just screwed it in there, and it has 2 outlet adapters coming out of it. So I'll leave a link to that, and then you can see where I plugged those into that right there. And I just got a little zip strip on a little hog ring that's nailed into the rafter there. And so you can see what they do. They also have 2 little switches. I just leave them on because I got them hooked to the switch inside. And then there it is, plugged into the end of the light. There's a light up there mounted. And you can see like where the tabs are. There's one where it's clipped in right there. Okay, and then I just daisy chained them and spread them out a little bit to get full coverage of this garage. So I'll shut this door and flip it on and see what it looks like. All right, I flipped the switch on inside, got all 4, and it does light up this old garage very nicely. You know, this is daylight and it's bright in here, so I can imagine of course, nighttime, it'll be even brighter. All right, so that's it. Hope it helped. I'll leave links to those 2 items down below. It's just a cheap, easy upgrade if you need better lighting in an old room or garage.